Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is July the 5th, 2023. It's about 6:45 in the morning. And if you look at the top of this sign, you'll see I'm at the Brazos Valley Veterans Memorial Park in College Station, Texas. And I'm going to show you just a little bit overview of the map there. You can pause that and look at it if you want. They got this broke down into two sections. There's a red path, and you can see it's going to start us really from the Revolutionary War all the way through the Philippine Insurrection of 1913. And then we have a blue pathway, and that goes from China Relief Expedition all the way up to the present. So we're going to try to get this both on ground and aerial where I think that either is appropriate. So let's go down this path right here and go see what we got. You see right here, this here is the Revolutionary War, 1775 to 1781. And they got this guy standing here. And right here talks about it. I just give you, if you want to read the campaigns, you can pause that and read that. The belligerents, as they call it, and then the stats of that war. So, you see this statue here they got of this Minuteman over here. And I guess for Independence Day yesterday, somebody set up that little wreath there. So now you can see him. So that's what that goes for. Right over here. Just to show you how close this is. I believe this is the Indian Wars, isn't it? Yeah, Indian Campaign, 1790 to 1891. Look how real life these guys are. The gun and everything. I think that's a nice little statue. And then here, see, this is everything that it says about it. But here's the campaigns here if you want to read about this stuff. And then the belligerents and the stats right there. This is the War of 1812, and it says 1812 to 1815. Yeah, that shows that. And you can see we got this fella here with what looks like it's supposed to be a rope. Let's see what we can get of him. He's not the best looking fella. Alright, then over here is just some rocks, so we'll go to the next one. See this one here, or hopefully you can see there's a lot of glare. War for Texas Independence, 1835-1836. And there's nothing here other than they have this board here to talk about it, of course. And just to show you the campaigns. Get you as close as I can. So you can see all that. The belligerents, of course. And the stats right there. So, you'll notice not that many got killed in it. But, so what they do have over here, I see now is this fella in the woods. You see this here says sacred ground. So hopefully you can pause that and see that. And this is, of course, about Texas independence. It's got this fella here who would be representative of somebody who fought in it. And then what's interesting is here in front of us, they got this wall here. So I think this is probably made a little bit because part of the Alamo, I did know, was kind of built just like this. That the fortifications weren't, let's just say, the best in the world. And in fact, some of it was torn down. Let's see, Halls of Montezuma is what that says. And now over here, you can see that big statue right up there. And this is the Mexican War, 1846 to 1848. And again, here's the board for it. Here's the campaigns. The belligerents and the stats on it. So there you go. And so from this side, you see we'll take that view of that wall, and then we'll move on to the next one here. Show you a little bit more of that wall there. Here, I believe this is going to be Civil War. That's what it looks like to me. Yep, Civil War, 1861, 1865. You can see they've got fence set up over there. Sky's lighting up real nice now. So they got more of these fences over here. And here's you a representative soldier. Here, there you go. You can stand eyeball to eyeball with him. He's pretty finely detailed. There's this canteen back there. All right, so let's go look at the board here. Get the stats on this. So again, you can see all that. Here's the campaigns. It says over 25 campaigns. So as we go on down, then we get to the belligerents, and then the stats. Battle deaths of 110,000. That's a lot. All right, so let's go on around and see what else we can find here. See, this here is called Going Home. So if you want to pause that and read all of that, you can. About the end of the Civil War, of course. We've got this statue right over here, and I'll get a little closer to him in a moment. But you see, we got this board, you know, from the people who were on the right side. And you can see that here's their campaigns all the way down. We get to the belligerents and the stats. So let me show you this fella here up close. A fine figure of a fella, is he not? I'll get you eye to eye with him. And then right down the barrel of his rifle. And he's facing the Yankee over there. All right, so let's go on to the next one. Okay, this is the little monument they put up here, Spanish-American War of 1898. And there's nothing here as far as a statue. They just have this board. And again, here's the campaigns. So there's only 3 of them. The belligerents, so-called, and the statistics of this one. All right, let's go look at one more here. No, I take back what I just said. As you come past this tree, then you run across this soldier here. You see this is talking about the Rough Riders, of course. So that's that, and he looks to be dressed pretty fine. Let's bring you up to his eye level. See his rifle right there. It's got a little bayonet and some bullets with a belt. All right, so that's Spanish-American War. All right, this one is the Philippine Insurrection of 1899 to 1913. And you see we got that soldier right there. And they have these stacked rocks on this one. That sign over there says this is the west entrance. Another stack of rocks there. And then we'll get close to this fella. I'll give you an eye-to-eye view of him. And then look at the detail on his rifle. I mean, this is so good. Pretty nice, huh? And then we'll just back off and get him all in scope. All right, now let's go look at the campaigns here. You can see all them down there, the belligerents, and then the statistics right there. All right, so I think this will complete the first part. You can see we have a map right here again. And yes, the Philippine Insurrection. So we will go to the blue pathway and we'll do that one. All right, so let's get going. All right, here we are facing this monument. And what I want to do is just show you the whole scene here slowly. So we'll just back out. And I just want to slowly show you this whole monument here and this whole memorial. This is really the biggest part of the memorial itself. Now you can start seeing a lot more of the scene. You see those flags, there's no wind blowing at all. Then if I can get far enough out here on the other side, or some flags, but I think the trees are going to block them. I'm not going to be able to show those to you from here, but you can see this here is a nice scene, so I like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take a photo of that. Alright, now let's zoom in 2 times. So that's a 2 times zoom. Makes it look like I'm much closer to this than I am. But let's go ahead and start, just kind of come back in and down at this, and you'll see just how close we can get this thing. Pretty cool, huh? And we'll get you this soldier carrying this other soldier. Let me bring that down and just get as very close as I can. Kind of look up at them. So you can see that look on that guy's face there. Do this. And yeah, it's hard to get that guy's face. Let's just go down a little bit more. And there you go. There's a good view of that. All right, there you got a good view of them already. All right, so I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's just go back and try to get them all in view here, if I can. And there you go. There's all the flags. Okay. So let me do one more thing here. Alright, so we're looking down on most of the monument right now. And those walls that you see there, those all have names on them of people under the various presidents of all the various wars right up through Bush. So that's what's there. And here, I'll go up a little bit. And there you go. There's that. All right, pretty cool. Let's move on and do the rest of the blue trail.